So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to freeze frame in CapCut. So the first thing you want to do is open up CapCut. So you can see it right here. I have it opened right next to it here. And on here you can see I've added some sort of video. So once I've added a video, in order to freeze frame it, you can see the options. So let's choose a certain part of the video. So you can choose this one. It really looks cool for you. Maybe the sky is a bit better here. Doesn't really matter. You can go to these options here. So you can see select or split. You can see undo. Then you can see the split, delete right and left, delete altogether. You can see add a marker, freeze. Now if you click on this, that means it's going to add a freeze frame for 3 seconds. So instead of this scene, you can see now it's just a freeze frame, and after that it continues as it was previously. So that's how you can add a freeze frame. You can then choose this option here and you can add some stuff to that freeze frame, so it's not just a generic one. You can maybe even reduce it, so everything that's within these lines you can reduce the freeze frame. You can even expand it. So but the basic setup is that it lasts for 3 seconds, and that's what you can do with the CapCut app on your PC. So once you've added this, choose a certain frame you particularly like and click this option on here which says freeze, and it's going to freeze your frame for 3 seconds. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on CapCut or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.